campaigns on Feathr require media budget to run. Your total budget for media should consider the number of campaigns you expect to run, as well as how much you expect to spend per campaign. Our team can help you figure out a precise budget, but here's a rule of thumb that you can follow. First, think about how many projects you intend to run ads for on Feathr. How many events, membership drives, and educational programs do you intend to promote with Feathr? Most of our successful customers run at least 3 ad campaigns per project, so multiply the number of projects by 3. Now you've got the total number of campaigns that you'll run. We typically recommend budgeting at least $300 per campaign. In this case, we've got 5 projects for a total of 15 campaigns multiplied by $300 per campaign. So in total, we should budget approximately $4,500 for media on Feathr.